Cultural Festival de twice the 25 El Carmen de Bolívar. What is the event? It's a cultural festival that includes live music show, traditional dance performance, food fair, art exhibition. Materials needs sound equipment, colorful lights, big stage, talent tables, and chairs decoration. Why is the event important? It is important because in the province, cultural aspect supports local talent and creates a positive and inclusive space. Where is the event taking place? It takes place in Central Park, a comfortable and accessible location. What is the event for? It's for all members of the community. How does the event help the community? It helps by fostering social connection, entertainment, and cultural learning. Thank you.